Hi, I'm Seth with Wired Customs, and today we're going to talk about liquid metal. So, why doesn't everyone use liquid metal on their cooling components? Well, it can aid in cooling, or it could potentially damage your components. It may cause corrosion, but only if you use it on aluminum, and there's a few other metals that it doesn't play along with. But most PC components are either completely copper or nickel-plated copper, and both of those are completely fine to use liquid metal. As well as being thermally conductive, it is very electrically conductive. So if it seeps out from wherever it's pinched in between, i.e. your cooler and your CPU or GPU lid or die, it can cause a short if it gets on a capacitor or a PCB or motherboard trace. So you need to make sure that you insulate whatever's around it perfectly before you reinstall the component. And today I will show you how to do that so you don't have anything to worry about. I'm currently using liquid metal on my 1800X, and I've liquid metaled several GPUs in the past, and I've not had any issues. So let's get into it. So there are lots of different kinds of liquid metal out there, but I'm very fond of Thermal Grizzly's products. So today we're going to be using the Thermal Grizzly Conductonaut liquid metal to do your CPU lid or your GPU die. You're only going to need one tube of this, which is about 20 bucks on Amazon. So it's a very DIY priced friendly package. So we're going to be reapplying liquid metal to my MSI Gaming X 1080. This has excellent fans, cooler, it has a high TDP rating, so we should really be able to see the effects of this liquid metal in this case. It should be very obvious how well it works. So let's get started on putting some of that liquid metal on there. Alright guys, so we are back. The GPU is set up back in the case, all the panels on, tested the exact same way when it had stock paste, and the results are very impressive. That means you can overclock a lot further. You can game quieter, and it runs so much better. My Heaven scores went up. It's just a really easy $20 mod. And I also found out that you cannot double stack the electrical tape when you insulate around the GPU die. If you do, the heatsink for the fan is flat, and if you double stack that tape, it will not make contact. When I first put it in there, it immediately went up to like 85, 90, and I took it apart and made sure, and yeah, sure enough, the electrical tape was sitting up higher than the GPU die. So when you cut the tape, make sure the pieces are next to each other and that you don't overlap them. So we both learned something today, but it's now running nice and cool. Everything is running great. I hope this helped shine the light on the issue. Some people are scared to mess with it or whatever. It's really fine as long as you take the necessary precautions. It's a great mod to do for your air-cooled GPU for only 20 bucks and maybe an hour of your time. So as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe to Wired Customs to stay informed on anything else we post. Follow us on Twitch at twitch.tv/wiredcustoms. On Facebook as well, facebook.com/wiredcustomscopel, and on Instagram at Wired Customs. So get in touch with Wired Customs and level up your PC today.